helmet uone. Mimi nafanya kazi, ona. Since when we had traffic on the on the expressway? Look at the traffic on the expressway. Naona vile kuna traffic expressway. Ati? Naona vile kuna traffic expressway huko. Guys, this is Nairobi. These are roads here in Nairobi. Nini inajengwa hapa? Nini inajengwa hapa? Tunadhani hujatoka hapa wewe? Sawa. Mnajenga nini? Barabara? Mnajenga barabara? Sasa? Mnajenga nini hapa?
Extension ya nini? Ya hii kushuka ya
ile traffic. Na nashangaa ni ile expressway iko na traffic.
Sasa tunataka kuongeza kwa kwa tatu tuongeze zingine mbili. Zote tatu.
So zita connect aje?
Tutapanga tukija hapo. Kutoka Museum. Wale kutoka mnataka. Hiyo ndio mdogo.
So ina connect hivi? I connect na highway? Nenda hadi huko bada. Kenyatta Avenue huko. Exercise. Muhimu. Chunga hizo. Mwenyima kutembea? Kwa nini? Wasaidie? Nipe helmet uone. Mimi nafanya kazi, ona. Sawa. Mnajenga hadi pale? So si barabara kubwa. Men at work. Museum Road Expansion. Chunga. Ama ikuja imepita na wewe. Sasa. Unajua ukifurahi unaongezewa masiku. Ati kamera ya nini? Kwani kamera inakonga ya nini? Si ni ya kurekod? Hata nikuja nikurekod? Kifanya kazi? YouTube. Oh my God. Expressway expansion here at Uhuru Highway, guys. Look at that. So big. So they want to extend the expressway. You can see they even add in an extension pale ya toll expressway because as you can see, guys, I've shown you there's a lot of traffic on that expressway right now. So they want to extend this, at least the lane. Right now we have 2 lanes here. So they want to extend it to have a bit of more lanes here. Guys, I've shown you like there's a lot of traffic right now on this expressway, to be honest. So they want to extend. As you can see up there, that guy, they're adding that toll station over there. Yeah. Expressway expansion here at Museum. As you can see, guys, men at work. This is how it looks. There's a lot of traffic here, guys. Unaona magari zinatoka kwa expressway guys. They are so big. There's a lot of traffic over there guys. I hope you can see it. And that expressway. So this is what they want to prevent. Can you imagine you're using expressway and you're on traffic? And the expressway was made for you not to stay on the traffic. Actually the other road is more non-busy. It's not as busy as we have here. There's no traffic on the other side of the road, but on the expressway we have traffic. So that is why they are building expressway. Nimesikia kusema tunaenda. Kuna barabara hapo kweli?
Wameniambia wamefunga.
Ungemuuliza kiatu ama. Koshkayana. So guys, you see, this is the road I'm telling you about. So this road, it's not an expressway, but it's less busy compared to the expressway. A lot of traffic. So guys, what do you think about this expansion? I feel like lately there have been a lot of expansion and development here in Kenya. So many roads are being constructed. Wow, it's beautiful. But why do we have open? Why is this drainage open, guys? This drainage is supposed to be closed. Why is it open? Or nowadays they leave the drainage open. But as you can see, that is the expressway. There's a lot of traffic over there. I'm showing you the traffic, guys. That is how it goes. So guys, thank you for watching this video up to the end. Comment, subscribe and share. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about this expansion of the expressway here at Museum Road. I think it's a good thing to me because at least it's going to cover all the traffic around that place that you have seen. It's expressway and we have traffic, so that is a plus for them. So bye bye guys. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.